Stampeders riding a 3-game win streak, entertaining the 2-8 Winnipeg Blue Bombers on Wendy's Friday Night Football. Coach Tim Burke took plenty of heat and the blame for the Bombers' last-second loss. Tough place for the Bombers to win, haven't done so since 2002. They'll try to change that tonight. Here's Damon Washington on the return, and he's got a good one. Fake to Cornish, Glenn on a roll, and here's Nick Lewis, and Lewis busts a tackle, and it's his biggest gain of the year. Nick Lewis all the way down to the Winnipeg 30-yard line. And Nick Lewis gets closer to 10,000 and moves ahead of Travis Moore into 16th all-time. So that big 52-yard play by Lewis sets up Rennie Paredes, who is 18 for 20 on the year, working at 90% as he surveys this from 33 yards out. And the fake is Rob Cote. Well, he watched the Green Bay Packers last night, and Rob Cote's got a touchdown.
He lines up as a tight end in the field goal formation, or the wingman, and he's on the right of your screen. He's going to come across. This play almost disrupted. Didn't work because of penetration from Winnipeg, but once Cote got outside there, he found his running lane, surprised the Winnipeg field goal return team. And Calgary Stampeders with the major to start this game out.
And the guys that have tried to stop him playing under pressure. That ball up for grabs. It's intercepted. There is a flag down on the play.
Major foul. Roughing the passer. Winnipeg, number 95. 15-yard penalty. First down.
Well, that'll take the interception away from Enoch Mwamba.
And then, of course, the media, the bridge between the fans and the team.
Second and 10, and in traffic. Is that not vintage Nick Lewis? And that should put him past Cote.
Pass Tom Scott.
He's passed a lot of people this year. Here's Cornish with the seam to the end zone. Touchdown. Well, there's the other guy hitting pay dirt once again.
MOP candidates, Nick Lewis, who we've talked about, is 10,000 yards plus, and this guy, John Cornish, who just keeps getting it done. What tremendous acceleration as he turned the corner and just sprinted. And we see the speed of John Cornish as he outruns the angle for a lot of reasons.
Damon Washington, no yards penalty, and here's a wide open receiver. And it's Marquay McDaniel down to the 15-yard line. Well, the old Hamilton Tiger Cat battery mates, Glenn McDaniel. And it's a 50-yard gain. He's fourth in the league in second down conversion catches. Glenn takes a shot for Lewis, and he was in a battle, and flags do fly. He was tied up with Alex Suber and couldn't reach the football. First and goal from the 3. Cote leads the blocking Cornish to the outside. Touchdown. Second touchdown of this first half for John Cornish. He puts it in from 3 yards out. Again, the handoff, Simpson, big hole, little daylight for Chad Simpson. And he rips it down inside the 20-yard line. That's a 28-yard run for Chad Simpson. A touchdown to end a long drought for the Bombers. First and goal. Alex Brick to the end zone, incomplete. Isaac Anderson. Brick deep in the end zone for Corey Watson. Can't make the catch. And it'll be third down, and do they leave the offense out? It looks like the field goal unit will come on. Justin Polardi gets the Bombers on the board. We get a chance to show you a 50-yard touchdown romp, 53-yard touchdown romp by LaMarcus Coker. And you mentioned the one in Moncton last year. First touch in the Canadian Football League was a 75-yarder. And Coker explosive once again. Well, it's the 10th consecutive win at McMahon for the Calgary Stampeders over a struggling Winnipeg Blue Bomber team. 44-3 the final. We say so long from McMahon.